Jai Hind all. Welcome to the module 2 of the Universal Human Values classes. Today in this module, we'll cover these topics: human conduct, human goal and aspirations, order of living, relationships and human traditions. First is human conduct. Before starting with this module, we shall just have a recap of the module 1. In that module, we just gone through the what are the values which a human being should have, what are the relationship status is there, how a person is related to another person, other order of living and non-living things. So this was all about the module 1. Now with the module 2, we have first topic, that is human conduct. Human conduct is something we must have gone through, like in our mark sheets there is written that conduct dash, then it is written good or bad or average or something else. So what does it mean? That how that person or how that student is behaving with the other students or the teachers or the staff, how well or how bad he or she is behaving with the other people. Okay. So in the human conduct, we have three basic things. First is values, then policy and the character. Values is something like we have some moral values or moral ethics imbibed within us. Okay. So according to that, according to those values, we shall react with other people, with other orders of living like animals, plants and with non-living things. Okay, so what are the values or what are the ethics which we have in ourselves? Then is the policy. What is the line of order which we are following during our behavior with other people? Okay, and character. These things, policy and the values, these define the character of a person. That how a person is, how much values or how much policies are there within a person and what makes it a good character or a bad character. Okay, this is all about the human conduct we have. Then human goals and aspirations. If I ask you a question that what should be the final goal of any of the human beings or what are the aspirations of any of the human beings, then we shall say that to be happy or to be contented in our lives, this is the future, this is the final goal of any of the person. Maybe a person is getting happiness by teaching other people about good things, or a person is happy by making others unhappy. Some people are there who feel good or who feel happy by means harming others. So basic aspiration or basic goal of any of the human beings is to be happy or to be satisfied in our lives. So the major goal is to get happiness, and in the module 1 we have discussed that happiness is non-materialistic. If I am doing something good for others, I will feel happy. If I am doing bad for others, I will feel something, no, I have done bad to the other people. So this is the thing which we are getting when we see the future goal of any of the human beings. Okay, so this is to be happy, to be contented in our lives. Then order of living. When we talk about the life order, we have 4 orders of life. Okay, first is materialistic order, that is non-living things like soil is there naturally which are there with us. Okay, soil is there, water is there, metals are there, means naturally जो भी चीज़ें हमारे पास non-living things present हैं, that is the materialistic order. The first order of life is materialistic order. This is known as order of life because on this order the life of other orders depends. If there is no soil, no plants will be there, no animals will be there, and after all indirectly no humans will be there. So the existence of the other orders depend upon first order, that is materialistic order. Second order of the life is pranic order. Okay, like microbes, okay, or plants we can say, those which cannot move. Okay, microbes are some living creatures which cannot move by themselves. They are transferred from one to another. Okay, and plants, they are immovable, but they have life. Microbes have life, they grow. Okay, plants, they grow, so they have life. So this is pranic order. Third order of life is animal order. Okay, animals which we see around us, any type of animals, whether it is crawling animals, whether it is carnivorous, omnivorous, any type of animals which are there, that is the order number 3, order of life number 3, that is animal order. And fourth order is the human order. We, the human beings, are the fourth order of life. Okay, first order, that is materialistic order. Second order, pranic order. Third order is animal order, and fourth is human order. Okay, this is clear with this. Then we have relationships. Now we have gone through the orders of life. We know that materials are there are plants, or pranic order is there are animals, and there are human beings. So we should have a good relationship between each of the orders. So materialistic order, if we'll harm that material, at the end of at a point of time we will be harmed. Like water, it is non-living thing, it is materialistic order, we are wasting it, and today we have such a condition that for example in Chennai the ground level water is vanished. So this will harm us, no? So when we harm any of the order of life, it will harm us in direct or indirect manner. Okay, so relationship basically is something which we are, the relationship means the relation which we are sharing with each other or with other orders of life. If we are talking about human beings, I am good with other human beings, okay, that is the relationship. I am good with animals, I do not harm them, I care for them. Okay, so this is the relationship with third order, that is animal order. I am I love plants. Okay, we cannot care for the microbes after all, but for the plants, pranic order, I care for them, I grow plants. Okay, so this is something I am making a relationship with the second order. And the first order, that is materialistic order, I am making relationship with those also by preserving them. Okay, soil preserve कर रही हूँ अगर मैं, and if I am preserving the water, if I am preserving the non-renewable materials which are there, so I am in relationship with the other orders of life as well as with my order of life, that is human order of life. Okay, and then there is human tradition. Human tradition has एक ओवरऑल, जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, इन मॉड्यूल 1 वी हैड गॉन थ्रू द ह्यूमन एजुकेशन, मॉरल वैल्यूज़. ठीक है, इन मॉड्यूल 2 वी हैव डन द ह्यूमन कंडक्ट. So when we educate a person, like in this is our subject, universal human values, we are educating you. ठीक है, तो you are getting an education about the what are the values, what should be the conduct with other human beings, what are the basic needs of becoming a good human being, what are the basic needs of being happy. So these are the small needs or small traditions which we have to follow. So tradition in human human tradition has two parts, that is human education, like we are educating you at every point of time. When we were in school also, we were given education about moral values. Moral science used to be our subject. So it was all about the moral ethics, which a person should have in to deal a good life. Okay, and second one is human conduct, which we had gone through. And human conduct, we have values, policies, and the character. Okay, so these are the things which we should have to maintain the human tradition. If we do not maintain these things, if we do not have good values, Like if the coming generations, if they are not told about what should be done and what not should be done, so they'll inculcate by themselves. कुछ बच्चे अपने आप से अच्छे बनेंगे, कुछ बच्चों में वो अच्छाई नहीं inculcate हो पाएगी. So this is our duty कि we should educate the coming generations about the values, the policies and the character which they should build in order to make a good life, what should I say, एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ जो कि एक ह्यूमन बीइंग दूसरे ह्यूमंस को या एनिमल्स को या प्लांट्स को या मटेरियल्स को प्रोवाइड कर सकता है. तो दिस इज आवर ह्यूमन ट्रेडिशन विच शुड बी फॉलोड. ओके, ह्यूमन कंडक्ट एंड ह्यूमन education. So for a quick recap, we have gone through the conduct, that is values, policy and the character. Then we have human goal. Overall goal of, or we can say final goal of every human being is to be contented in life, to be happy in life. Okay. Then orders of living, 4 orders. First is materialistic order, that is non-living thing. Pranic order, that is plants and microbes, etc. Third is animal order, that is animals, and fourth is human order, us. Okay. Then the relationships with our order, that is humans, and with the other orders of life. And then human tradition, to maintain happiness or to maintain good quality of life on earth, we need to follow the education and conduct in every human being. We cannot teach the animals, we cannot teach the plants or other forms of life, we cannot teach them. Whom we can teach? We can teach other human beings. So it's our duty of each and every of these students or each and every human being, it is a duty that we should inculcate a good education and good conduct in other human beings. So thank you so much.